It is December 31st, 2023, and we are having signs that hospital capacity is straining as of now, where officials at the California Department of Public Health said the high levels have the potential to add to an already concerning number of hospitalizations of children due to the spread of winter viruses. And that compared to last year, respiratory illness hospitalizations are up by about a third, so they're 33% higher than they were last year at the same time. And while I don't like a year over year comparison, it's just one of those things to know. Where hospitals across the entire state of California are reporting the number of children who need hospitalization is currently outpacing their ability to accommodate those incoming patients. And an important reminder is that when we're considering pediatric, that is 17 and under, 17-year-olds and under. Where Mandy Cohen, our CDC director, is saying we're seeing more respiratory illnesses and pneumonia in the US and around the world, but right now we're not seeing anything new or unfamiliar in terms of virus or sickness. So COVID is not new, but it's still causing problems.